back to a live or video of the first ever Clash of Clans video of mine. So you can see and I am Town Hall 16 right now, and I am planning to last to Town Hall 17. But I still don't have enough Town Hall 15 archery tower so we could successfully do it. So I also have Gold Pass, and I already unlocked all of it, and it's going to end at 4 days. Hope me luck. Thanks bro. And here I am the leader of my clan. You could see I am the leader, and I am planning to rush at 10:17. Hope it goes smoothly. And I'm also a Filipino, so I'm not that very good at English, so please excuse me if I said anything wrong, any mispronoun or any wrong words. So you could see our what clan war league is very good. It's going great, I guess. The first ever clan war league was failure, but actually at the second time, and the third and fourth is nice. So this is my other base, Builder Hall. I'm not that very active player to Builder Hall. I mainly focuses on the casual Town Hall. And you can see our capital peak is level 5, and we're still working on that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone. Bye guys.